Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to overview Skool. We are looking the company in terms of pricing, features, user experience and more. So, by the end of this video, you are going to have a better understanding whether Skool is a right option or not. Also, if you want to sign up for Skool, you can click the link provided in the description box. So, let's get started. Are you tired of low website traffic and poor online visibility? Finding it hard to attract your target audience? Finding your website failing to convert visitors into loyal customers? Then you are at the right place. Introducing Skool. Skool is a fantastic community and course creation platform for creators who are eager to build online communities or offer courses. It's particularly handy if you're into coaching, consulting, or any kind of information business. It customizes community spaces, use built-in features to keep your members engaged, easily create and share content that resonates with your members. Also, Skool offers multiple ways to monetize your community. It is very easy to set up and launch Skool. Now, let's see what is inside Skool. You will find a host of features tailored for online community building and course management. Skool offers an impressive user interface, personalized engagement tools like leaderboards, and options for rich course hosting. Additionally, Skool embraces a gamified approach to keep members engaged and motivated. The good thing about this is it fosters a more interactive and dynamic online learning environment, which is key in today's digital learning platforms. As a business owner or course creator, you will get access to tools like communities, classrooms, calendars, email broadcasts, chat, notifications, user profiles, a pretty decent search feature, and great metric analytics. And Skool is an absolute godsend for people like me who hate using Facebook groups. Personally, it drives me nuts having to spend ages searching in a Facebook group such just because Facebook want to keep you on their platform for longer. Facebook is not a smart tool to use to most your primary community groups. Sure, it can be helpful for free and preliminary groups, but beyond that, you're gonna want something that's more professional and user friendly for your paid groups. You must be wondering, why should I use Skool? So, as you can see, Skool has got some pretty decent features. But what are the benefits of using Skool and why might you choose it over the competitors in the online course and community space? Skool has focused user interface. Skool's interface is streamlined and user-friendly, making it simpler to navigate compared to more complex platforms. It has community engagement. Its features like personalized leaderboards and interactive options enhance community involvement. Also, it has gamification elements. These add an enjoyable and motivational aspect to the learning experience. It is the specialization for coaches and consultants. Skool is specifically designed for information businesses coaches and consultants, providing targeted tools and functionalities, ensuring complete control over your specialized content and services. It has a subscription-based monetization. This allows for a consistent revenue stream from your courses or content. It has a competitive pricing. It offers a more affordable option compared to other platforms. Skool offers just one simple and straightforward pricing plan, so you won't need to scratch your head over which plan is best for you. Here is what you get access to: one and only Skool pricing plan. The only plan is $99 per month. You can get you can get up and running quickly on Skool with a 14 days free trial. This is great because it allows you to fully test out the platform risk-free. Overall, the benefits of Skool are more. Its speed, simplicity, and community engagement are excellent. If you want to get started with Skool, go ahead and click the link down in the description to sign up with Skool. So now, thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. Thank you so much for your time. We will see you in next video. Bye.